1958 by British artist and activist Gerald Holton, this symbol has transcended borders and languages to become a universal emblem of peace. It consists of a circle representing the earth with 3 lines inside. The lines form a stylized combination of the letters N and D, which stand for nuclear disarmament. Today, this symbol is a powerful reminder of our shared responsibility to work towards a world free from conflict and filled with understanding and harmony. Now let us come together as a school community to create this symbol of peace. I request the students to join their hands and form the peace symbol in the center of the ground.
If I could write a magic song that everyone could sing, I would write of love, of hope and joy, and things that peace could bring. And when we sang my magic song, all hate and war would cease. If I could write a magic song, I'd write a song of peace. One song for all of us.
Once said, peace cannot be kept by force. It can only be achieved by understanding. This day was established in 1981 by the United Nations General Assembly, serving as a reminder of the importance of peace in our world. As our world battles with war, insurgency, conflicts and unrest, never has our world needed peace more. Disruption of peace leads to a chaotic world filled with poverty and hunger, devastations and climatic chaos. Peace is a way of living together so that all can thrive, prosper, and pursue their dreams and ambitions without fear. Peace begins within ourselves, and when we embrace it, we embrace the principles of justice, equality, and compassion.
There's a way that we can live in peace. There's a way.
Is one word that brings peace. Peace cannot be kept by force. It can only be achieved by understanding. Peace is the only way for survival of humanity. Peace heals, peace forgives, and peace unites. Science is more important than ever today to promote peace. Factors like stability, human rights, equality, and democracy promote peace, upheld by organizations worldwide. Love is the purest form of assault and peace, and let the behavior of others destroy our inner peace. The International Day of Peace or World Peace Day was established on 21st September in 1981 by the United Nations General Assembly. Thank you. No peace, it means we have forgotten that we belong to each each other.
Thank you, dear students. Can we once again have a huge round of applause for all of them? These quotes remind us of the power of peace and unity. Let's remember that every small act of kindness and understanding contributes to a more peaceful world. As we conclude this program, let's carry the spirit of peace with us and strive to make a positive impact on the world around us. Thank you all for joining us in celebrating International Peace Day. Together, we can make a difference.